KX. Today we're going to look at the short vowel sound of the letter U, which says like uppy umbrella. And here's a teacher trick of how you show that the vowel is making a short sound. It's kind of like this little sleepy C that I showed you last week. All the words we're going to look at today will have in it, just like Golden Girl plus is gum. So if you can hold on to this as what happens when you look at this word? It is sum. When you add up two numbers, you get a sum. Here we have drum. And a fruit. P and the L together say pl. Add the S. Plums. How about this one? What if we put in the beginning of a word? We would have, it's a long word. But again, just like in a math problem, if we focus on what we know, you know this is you know this is Bouncy Ben, you know this is Red Robot, and this is Eddie Elephant, Ella, umbrella. How about this one? We read gum. How about this one? Gum. You see gum. DR says dr. Gumdrop. Type of candy, a gumdrop. How about this one? The doggy who was just barking, Tulip, she loves it when you rub her tummy. It's an interesting word, right? Tummy. Here's another word. Like street or stretch. STR says str. Here's our strumming. Yeah. Now, so as I was reminding Esther the other day, when you have a CVC word and the V or the vowel, let's make that red so you can see. CVC word, you're going to see this a lot in first grade. CVC word is a short way of saying a consonant, vowel, consonant word. So when you have a word that starts with a consonant or a consonant blend, like STR, for example, and you have a vowel in the middle, and that vowel is a short vowel. It says and not. This is what you write for a long vowel. It doesn't say what Mr. U-Man says. It doesn't say its name. Strum. So imagine this is the root word strum, to strum something. If you're going to add an ending like ing, because it's a consonant vowel consonant word, before you add whatever ending, you have to double the final consonant. You have to add another whatever that is. Does that make sense? And then your ending. In this case, it's ing. Let's see if I can find another word that shows that. Let's see. Well, here's one. Here's hummingbird. Let's take a look at it for a minute. It follows the same pattern in that we started with hum, and that's a consonant. Is a short vowel sound? It sure is. Vowel, consonant word. And to make it say humming, I'm humming a song. You don't have to worry about the bird part. Humming. To say humming, you would have to double the final consonant before you add your ing. Humming, and then bird. It's actually what we call a compound word. I don't know if you remember that, but it's a compound word. A compound means made of more than one thing. And what this word is made up of more than is words. You have humming, which on its own is a word, and bird, which is a word too, right? And here, let's try one more. That's my barky dog too. Stumb. It looks like you would say stumbly, but this is a very common ending. L-E is an ending you're going to see in a lot of words. L-E. Stumble. And you really don't hear the E, right? Stumble. To stumble is to kind of lose your footing, to stumble. So, KX, I hope you had some fun with that. Just for fun, I'm going to close with showing you some words. I'm not going to read them to you, so maybe if you want, you can see if you can read them. There's this one. Something that a lot of you like to do. Another one that you might see has in it that you might buy around Halloween time. Maybe cut them out, which Mrs. Coffin's not a fan of. And finally,